Good morning, people. Hope you're doing well. So I woke up this morning and I was feeling like working out, and I decided to do a workout with the Boppy Girl. That's her channel name, the Boppy Girl. And you guys already know how much I love working out with her. I always go back to her workout videos. I'm going to quickly take my bath now and then prepare breakfast for my kids. They are awake. They just woke up some minutes ago, but I've been awake for a little over 2 hours now. And before I go take my shower or my bath, I want to quickly say something, or more like address something. Okay guys, so I had to sit down for this and also put my camera on the tripod because that camera is heavy with the lens on, so I don't have strength to carry the camera. I watched a live video of Choice TV where she was talking about me. She was talking about the video I made the other time where I was complaining of low views and stuff, why I'm not getting views and other stuff. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'm going to put the thumbnail picture on the screen, or I will leave the link to the video in the comment section so you go and check it out. So she was, more like addressing the video, and in that live video they were all giving me suggestions, providing suggestions as to what to do, what I should do in order to get views. People were leaving their suggestions, their opinions in the comment section in the live chat of that live video, and I was reading their comments and also listening to Choice TV. First of all, before I go further, I want to say thank you so much, Choice TV. Like, I appreciate you for making that video. It shows that you care for me. Now, in the course of reading the comments that people were leaving in the live chat, someone said they stopped watching me because I'm always indoors making vlogs. Somebody even went as far as saying if Fantastic Favor color her hair gold now, she will see that she will start getting a lot of subscribers and views. And Choice countered that, like, she immediately said no, but that is not her fate. And thank you so much once again, Choice, for countering that. Like, you already know what I can do and what I cannot do. Another person said if Fantastic Favor starts wearing trousers now, you will see that her views will go up. Choice also countered that as well. Now, another person also said that I'm always talking about school bus, that she's tired of my living room, stuff like that. Now, one thing people don't understand is that I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm vlogging my daily activities, some of my daily activities, because I don't show you guys everything that goes on behind the camera. There are things that are not supposed to come out there or go out there. There are things that are supposed to be left, private or within. What exactly do you people want me to be doing? This is my daily life activities. Do you want me to start vlogging what I am not doing as a lifestyle mommy, stay-at-home vlogger? What else do you expect from me if not my house, my children, the activities we do some of the days? And some were giving their suggestions that I should go out there, I should go out, show them around Italy and stuff. What really am I going out to show? I don't really know much about Italy. It's my husband that tells me some things about Italy. I don't know much. I don't go out. I've said it in some of my videos in the past that I'm an introvert. I don't like going out. And it's not because I came here. It started from when I started knowing myself. I don't like going out. I like staying on my own. I love being indoors. I love my privacy. Like, if you leave me, I will stay in the house for complete 1 week at a stretch, and nobody will know that I'm at home. So I don't like going out. Plus, I'm not driving yet. So how am I supposed to be taking you around? And I know some of you might suggest, why not enter bus and stuff? Guys, you don't know how we are living here. It's not as easy as you guys think. Please allow me to show you guys what I want to show you. And sometimes if I have the opportunity, I will go out there and show as much as I can, which I've done some time in the past. At least I took you guys when I was going to make my hair, and in fact, sometimes we go to the supermarket, I vlog it. At a point I was like, these market vlogs are becoming too much, let me just, you know, withdraw a little bit. And now people are complaining that I'm always at home. I don't know what you guys really want me to be doing on this channel. You know what I've just decided to be doing? I'm going to post. Okay, I'm going to post whether I'm getting the views or not. I'm going to keep posting whatever that comes to mind. I'll film it and post. And if I see any suggestions that people are giving to me that I know I can do, I'm going to definitely film the video and put it out for you guys to watch, for your entertainment, because I love to entertain you guys. I also, you know, love to teach from my own little way. Also, they were saying that I should talk about Funke Adejumo, Tolupe Solutions mother-in-law, or her mom. I don't really remember. You know, talk some things about her. They were even comparing me with Tolupe Solutions. We are not the same. You don't expect me to copy what Solution is doing on her channel. And talking about reaction, I should do reaction videos. I don't have that, how do I put it? I can react, but it's not my calling. Let me just put it that way. It's not my calling. You don't expect me to be doing reaction video on a channel I opened for cooking and vlogging. This channel is not for reaction. And even if I'm going to start doing reaction videos, it's definitely not going to be on this channel. So please, you guys should understand that it's not as easy as you think. I also got a comment, but this time around it's in my video, one of my videos. The person was saying I should think out of the box. Like, do you think I just relax? I don't think of video ideas to create? Do you know I stay awake here days, nights, all night, thinking of what to do to make this channel start moving forward? Someone else said that life is too busy to come and sit down and be watching other people's lifestyle. But you guys, those ones that are getting views, they are still vloggers, mommy vloggers. They are always in their house vlogging, and you guys are watching them. And when I do my own, you don't like it, and you want me to be reacting, to carry my camera and be walking the whole street of Italy. Please, I can't do some of those things you guys want me to do. I cannot. I have 4 children here. It's not easy with me. So please, you guys should try to understand. Okay, just try to understand, because all these things are, I don't know. And that I'm always in the kitchen doing pancake, French toast and stuff. Okay, what else am I supposed to be doing? And it's not like I'm always doing it, but I know they are just exaggerating. This is what other vloggers do on their channel too, and you guys are watching them. So why is my own different? Why do you want me to do something differently? Because I came out to complain that I'm not getting views. I guess that's why, but it's okay. I think this is the last time I will come out to lament about low views or high views. I'm just going to keep pushing until one day what will happen will happen. So let me just go and make breakfast for my kids and carry on with the rest of the activities I have for the day. Like, honestly speaking, you guys, it's not easy. And I believe that some of those people that were leaving such comments, they are not content creators, telling me to think out of the box. Like, how else am I supposed to be thinking? If you think it is easy, open up a channel, start making videos, then you will see how sweet and easy it is to think out of the box. This is my green tea. I was working out and I was drinking my green tea as well. And now I'm just going to, they are all awake waiting for me. Let me just end this vlog here because I know it's just me ranting and appreciating Choice TV for making that video. I got some other ideas from that video too, which I'm going to put into work. You know, my hand is paining me, that's why I keep moving the tripod left and right. This thing is heavy, honestly. So that's it, guys. Let me just end this video here. Also, I don't want my vlogs to be long anymore, but I'm going to be keeping it short, simple and sweet. Okay, so please stay subscribed, don't go nowhere, because I'm not wearing trouser. I didn't color my hair red, blue, white and black and gold. Please love me for who I am. When I was getting views on this channel, there weren't pandemic then, but people were saying that it's because of pandemic, people were bored and they were watching me. That was why I was getting views then. And now people have started working and stuff. Before pandemic, I was getting a lot of views. Okay, so I guess Nasi finish, now enter, people have seen me finish. So I don't know, guys. It is what it is. Bye, guys.